Everyone, what's up guys? So in today's video I will show you how you can download 3D intro without doing any work, friends. Yes, friends, without doing any work you can make 3D intro for your YouTube channels. So at first you need to go to YouTube and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my videos, friends. And you need to write here intro without text, and you have to select here three. You can see, friends, the three lines is showing here. You have to click here, and you have to click here Creative Commons. Yes sir, Creative Commons, and click apply. And here you will get many of the intros. For example, I am showing you this one. Wait, go on. Yes, this one I am showing you. Oh friends, okay, let it be this only. So think I need to download this intro at first. So for downloading, in many videos the link of the down description is given in the description for downloading that intro, but for many videos there is not. So I am gonna showing you how you can download that videos. So for that you need to click here share, and click here copy link, and go to your web browser. And friends, I'm telling you, this process also works in iOS devices. So for iOS devices, you at first you need to download application from Play App Store, that is known as Documents, and need to go to its search browser, and you have to write at first the same process you will follow as I have shown in YouTube, copying link, and after that you will go to your Documents application and open it browser and write that what I am writing here. So you will write in that, and in your Android device also this one, YouTube to MP3. Yes, you will write in the Documents browser, and in your Android browsers which you are using, such as like I am using Chrome or UC browser, any of that, and you will click here go. Okay, now you can select any one of the converter. So I am suggesting you to select the first one only, it's a good one. Okay, now you will paste the link here, the video you have copied. And the main thing, friend, that you need to don't keep your format as MP3. You will keep your format as MP4 and start the conversion. It will take some time. When it will 100%, then you can download that video. Okay, it has downloaded. Now you have to click here download, and the first time it will be not downloaded, friend. So after deleting that page, now you can download it here. So I am clicking download, so it will be automatically show me downloading, but I will not, because I have one installed, a good 3D intro. And friend, install that intro only which has no text, so that you can give the name of your YouTube channel. And now you need to go and install one application known as KineMaster. You can install it in your iOS devices also, and then you will open their application. So after opening that application, you need to click here plus sign and click MP project. So open that file where you have downloaded the video. But friends, I have forgotten to click it. Yes. So this is the intro I have selected here. 10 intros. So I will select any one of it. If you want, then you can download the intro directly. But I thought that I will take this one from here. So I will split the other part. So I have splitted this one, and I will delete the first because I don't require that. And you need to see again that where the intro is ending. If you have taken a single intro, then there is no need to cut. But for it, I have to cut it. So let me delete this one also. Now let's see the intro once. So when the intro has come, I have not given the volume because it's a night, so I can't give the volume, and my father and mother is in that room. So if I make sound, then they may be angry, so that's why I have not given. And so did not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So after that the work is being totally done, the intro is being ready, but there is a problem that there is not the name of your channel. So for that you need to go to the place where, means go to the part from where it will start showing your name. So from here it will start, because there is the box here. So you will click here, layer and text, you will give the name of your channel. So the name of my channel is technical, technical Ankit. So I will write the name of my channel and click OK. So friends, it has taken, so I will enlarge it in the box and fit it. So you can change the color also. So I want to take yellow, so I have taken it as yellow. Now it will see, friends, it will automatically make fit in that box, and when the box will go, the text will also go. So friends, my this one is going out, so I will make it yes. So friends, let's, all the work has done, let's see once our intro. Friends, don't think that this intro has no sound. This intro has sound, I have not given. So for the proof, I am giving the sound and I am showing you also. So friend, this is a very easy way to download any 3D intro which you want. So friends, please and please subscribe my channel. If you made my 100 subscribers, then I will do a Clash of Clans clan giveaway. So please friends, don't think that clan level will be low, it will be above 10 only. So please do fast my 100 subscribers. So bye for today.